So, in Hex or HXD, we can see the differences. This is the one that I have modded, so we're just gonna get rid of that. And this is just skins basically. Right here is the base file, and what I had to do, the hash is down at the bottom of the file, so about right after this text is completely off. And so if I skip to copy offset, alright, perfect, and then I'll go back and I'll go over here. So which one is this? This is, screw it, I'll do the 1980. And then we'll come over here and then go to 19C4 or hex. Wait a minute, contains it. So you mean I can't go? I need to go to the offset 19C4, which will bring me right here to below the hashes, and so we'll do that one. And then here, you can see if you compare them, kind of, this is in decimal right here. I don't want it in decimal, so what is it called? View and then something else. No, it's view and then it's offset base, which is decimal. I need it to be hex. So I scroll down. You can see that right here, all the hashes have changed. If I scroll up right here, so it says OC, OC. But look right here, it's 19B0, 19B0. You can see right here. And so 11 OA, and it goes all the way down. We scroll down a little bit farther past these hashes. This is at 1E, and so we'll go back up to, I think it's 1DE0. One DE 0. You can see right here is where it really starts. So this is our file that we compiled using the application right here. And because it's like that, it's not completely recognizing the data in this file. And so you can see right here that this is where it kind of starts. Is where right after this. So this 4 byte, and then it starts after this 4 byte right here. So right there, and then right here. So basically, right after this 13, it does that. You can see that this is the base, right? And this is why it's doing all this. What we can do is take all this data, though, and not affect our mod, and take it and then literally paste it into here. Click Control S to save it. Great. I just saved the wrong data to skins.bjson. Anyway, so that's how you would do it. Is that this file right here is just basically giving invalid data because I compiled it using a dependency that doesn't quite work. And because of that, it reads everything else in the file perfectly fine, but it's like whenever you do the hashes down here at the end of it, it just screws up. And I'm not exactly sure why, or if this is a simple fix, but it also creates a hash database. I can show y'all here. Hash database basically tells which words go where, what numbers, all that, and this looks like gibberish. That's good as it is. And so literally we have to do this for every other one. If I want to modify the mushroom, here, let me stop the music right quick. If I want to modify the mushroom, let's go up here. We'll do open, then a mob file. We'll go over here to models, mobs. This is the default mob file. It'll give us this default mob, and we'll modify the villager. We'll give him a long nose, and so go over to nose right there, and we'll do just 20, and then we'll increase this by 3, so that's 7. Click update, and then I'll update the nose to a longer thing. Click this, go over here to save to BJson, take a little bit. Alrighty, perfect. And now what I need to do is go back over here to mobs updated, and this I need to enter HXD with. And then let's go over here, and I'm just gonna create a copy. So this is the default, and as you can see, they're basically identical up until an offset, which is all the way down here. And so what we can do is just copy offset, and then go over here to search, go to, and then let's copy at the offset. We have to click it, which is stupid, but you have to. We go over here, click copy offset, go back over here, not control F, but search, go to, and then we paste our number in. And it'll bring us to right here, which is 80, 80. Let's go and see. Let's see if all this data is perfectly aligned with this. So I'm just gonna remember 00 FD. All right, so it's not. Means we'll go up a little ways, because remember that this is all just basically animations and all that, and how the game basically interacts with it. And so it's somewhere past right here, which I am assuming is going to be when all the gibberish starts. So this is all just like, okay, right here. So I'm going to select this, go over here, copy offset, not control F. I keep clicking control F instead of go to. Just paste this in here so it goes to 80. FE 80. All right, well, oh well. We can see this right here. 0014 means that the hash is probably up a little bit right here. And so FE40 is what I was actually looking at, my bad. So FE40, which is 80 0B, 80 0B. So somewhere around here is when it starts. So I can see right here that changes and this changes. And so let's see, which one is this? This is 65, E65 right there. So I'm going to remember that. E65 right here, meaning that it's probably right after this string. which is 08. And so come over here. 08, meaning that from here onward is wrong. So right after that, go over here. So we're at 09 now, and we'll copy all this good data right here. And there's really no other way to do this. We'll copy this and then come back here and just select all of this right here. And it just takes forever. All right, then Control B, and it'll have the same length, which is perfect. And now this is our new villager news code, whatever. And so we'll come back over to our model extractor. This is the new one. You can see that it created a backup file right here. And so this is just in case anything goes wrong. So we'll Control C that, go over here to skin packs. This is the mods folder. We'll go over to vanilla clients models. And no, I don't want to open up that anymore. I'm going to copy that, rename it to mobs.bjson, and save and quit. And it should theoretically work. And so let's go ahead and restart. And this is how I also got the skins to work as well, with a bigger head. It's not necessarily that, but it can be. And here we go, it's loading. And so we'll go over here, just click play, creative my world. We'll see if this worked. This is what I did for the skins to fix the skins. It does something with all that. I'm not exactly sure what. But all the data that right here. So all these are fixed now, as you can tell. I'm going to back up this way. Where's the villager at? Mule, donkey, wolf, cow. Okay. Well, before we do all this, let's make sure that these all work perfectly. Yeah, they work. All right, awesome. Go up here a little bit. Perfect. And now we'll get the villager. And he should have, yeah, as you can see, it's probably not visible, but you can see that the geometry right there, it has been modified, at least to some degree. And so what we need to do right after we do all that is copy the offset after right here, whenever you go into here, how we copied all that data. And so now all these work, modding these textures work. You know, I'm pretty sure he's supposed to have maybe not. Maybe not. I thought they always had like those arms going across. It might actually be there, and I just screwed up on something. But everything else perfectly works fine. I think it was just the animations. But the dependency I'm using doesn't like doing all that complicated math stuff, because as people, we can determine that and do all that, but it's a lot more complicated whenever a machine does that. And so yeah, I kind of fixed it.